Tactical Drone Course for Bodyguards, Executive and Dignitary Protection. As the world changes, the field of bodyguards, executive and dignitary protection hasn't followed suit. Over the past 60 years, the protection field hasn't changed in a revolutionary way, until now. C.R.I. is leading an upgrade to remarkably improve the work of bodyguards, executive and dignitary protection agents, and PSD operators. Doron Benbenisty, C.R.I.'s CEO and founder, has created an amazing new innovation through our Tactical Drone Pilot Academy. After developing our Tactical Drone Pilot program, he immediately saw the need to incorporate this technology into the protection field. This program was created for security and bodyguard teams, government dignitary protection, executive protection and PSD operation teams, as well as firms and individuals that wish to enter this new and exciting field. Our Tactical Drone course for bodyguards, executive and dignitary protection includes the following: integrating drones with advance work, arrivals and departures, facility protection, convoy operations, countering ambush and assassinations, counter enemy sniper and IEDs, countering suicide bombers and car bombs, protective operations for VIPs during public assemblies, detecting remote espionage and eavesdropping, assisting counter-assault teams, or CATs, enemy hostile surveillance detection, VIP, and team emergency support, and so much more. The student will also learn FAA rules and regulations with regard to proper operation of a drone. We invite you or your organization to find out more about this advanced, beneficial, and revolutionary course. Don't stay behind. Contact us now at 702-222-3489 or email us at CRI@critraining.com.